Here it is. We got the now the model is what?
Huawei Mate X.
The Mate X. Okay, and this is the foldable.
Push the button.
You gotta push the button to fold it out. So we're gonna do that. Clips open. Doesn't fold the other way. But here's the screen. This screen is an outer screen, and it's only got 12% battery remaining, but it's pretty good. Don't see any creases. Tell us a little bit about this.
So this is a 1080p OLED display. You can do dual screen. It's 8 inches unfolded, 6.6 folded. So let's get to our home screen. Yep. Do you want to show the dual mirror
Sure.
feature? So if we go into our camera experience,
Okay.
if you tell it you want to take a selfie, it's going to tell you to fold the phone. So that way you have your Leica camera set up with your 40 megapixel RYYB camera, a 16 megapixel TOF, and then turn it on the other side. And then this is for our mirror mode. So you're going to be able, either in photo and video, your subjects are going to see themselves.
Okay.
So
Will it record, like if I was doing an interview with you, it'd record you and then
you would see yourself on the other side, and it can be either way.
And that ends up recording at 16:9 or 1080p or 720p or
1080.
1080. Okay.
You would have to double check on the specs on it.
Okay.
You can do dual screen.
So this is dual screen, and so we can run on here, have messaging happen over here, and go from there. So that's like the gallery. So some of the cool pictures. There's some guy. I have no idea who he is. Another guy. Blake took a video. He's happy.
Video.
Look at him being happy. He's holding on. So if I fold this, will that close that?
Not yet.
Okay.
No, you got about full range up to about there. And we do have a video. We can show you it playing video on the screen so they can see. And you can fold it and it'll stand there folded playing the video.
Okay. So if I fold it now.
About, not all the way, but
Not all the- okay.
yeah, but almost all the way.
Almost all the way. That way we can see the crease going. Which isn't really a crease, it's just I like the touch of this. It's plastic screen, unfortunately, because glass doesn't bend, but the plastic feels pretty close to a glass.
And it's an inbuilt screen protector, so some of what you're feeling under your thumb is the screen protector.
Is the screen protector? Okay.
So the material itself is proprietary. It's Huawei's Falcon Wing design.
Okay.
And it has been tested for strength and durability.
Here's the hinge. So that's how that works. And that's it. That's the Mate X from Huawei.